today
Hi guys, so today we are going to do a dancing turtle. So first, to make a dancing turtle, we are breaking out this turtle shape. And then we have to break some small circles out of it. Last time we made this robot. Now we have to place the nuts and then put a small supporter backside of that. After we do that, we will continue with the next steps.
we need a switch.
And also we need a switch.
First to fix that. And we need that motor. This one or this one. Give me that motor. Let me see. No, this motor. I got it. And
We have to take a motor.
you have to take this motor.
Double
And we need
tape.
the double tape. Give me double tape, yes.
We need a double-sided tape.
Okay, I'll put this double sided tape and fix it here. Yes.
And then guys, do you see this motor? We have to fix it right here when the two lines are there. I'm going to fix it at the planar surface so that no part of the motor is getting hidden. After we open it,
Yeah.
then we connect it. And then, do you see this another part? We have some folds. We need to fold it like this. Like this. Maybe last one. Last one. Like these ones. The comment I could not.
Where is the cello tape? उधर है लेके आप cello tape. We'll keep the
Double tape on back of this battery template. And then we'll stick it in an open cover, and then we will do just fold it so that inside you get a good support.
ठीक है.
अच्छे से फिक्स कर दीजिए.
तो उसको दे दे और fix करना. You will fix the top of the propeller.
Okay. No. It's not. Then I lose.
You can pause for some time. See, now we are fixing like this.
Now we fixed it. Now we
we'll
need a
fix-
switch.
We need to fix this switch. We'll fix this switch. You bring one. You bring one. Yeah, you fix this one. On top of that. Yes. You bring one chaku. Knife. Oh. Yeah. Correct. Correct. Leave it. Leave it. Leave it. Leave it. So the now motor is fixed. No, no. Let your sister put only one thing. If you want to fix, see. See.
And then we are making a big hole and taking it out so that we can fix the switch. I'll fix this.
No, wait.
I will be a sandwich. Keep it here and fix. We have to connect it like this, and there should be 4 nuts. Backside we need extra support like this, and we have to cut this to it. We have to poke some holes. We didn't poke, it was already there given, and then we just need to attach it like this after we make the motor.
In these big holes.
Now you can attach it and see how it is working.
We have to attach it like this with the holes, not just exactly looks like a turtle.
See how I'm fixing it. नहीं हाँ ठीक है उल्टा है ठीक है उल्टा हो गया
cover. I fixed it. I want to divide this. Is a bit smaller. Use another nut. See? Use another. हाँ ये वाला तरह के बहुत बड़ा. Maybe we use ये वाला साइड होगा हाँ.
Measure it. Which one is bigger one?
Now we are just ready with our switch, connecting it to the top.
Okay.
Give it one small.
And pause it.
Now we are attaching this is the remote we made. If you don't have that torch kind of one, you can use like this. We didn't have it, so we are using. And then we are connecting a long wire.
Yeah, now we will fix it here.
Now we are fixing the red one with
First we'll test it how it is working.
yes, it should go this side.
All are blue.
I think
I think we were having only 2.
yeah, the rest all are blue. I think. ये वाला connect.
उतना नहीं कर पाएंगे. Where is this switch is not working?
Guys, if you can make this robot, if you can make the
Guys, see, this robot is also similar. We just connected these two, and here is a switch. This red one goes like this from here. We used 2 red and 1 black to connect them, and totally to this battery panel. If you actually, guys, you should not use a glue to connect it. You can only use the double tape so that it does not get wet or it
No,
does
we will not able to put light
Why?
because this is very fast, so our light will go away.
Actually, guys, you can't put away the light. Why? Because this dancing turtle is very, very, very fast. So that if you put the light, our lights will go away. क्यों काम कर रहा है ये?
Hold it.
yeah, I stopped it.
No, इसका थोड़ा गया थोड़ा प्रॉब्लम हो गया. Okay, now hold it. No, so that. Stop.
Pause कर देती हूँ.
Not required.
Pause कर देती हूँ.
Why? Now we put that.
If you want,
Now our turtle is ready. Put that cover.
now our turtle is ready. So at last, after all the setting is done, you can just put this cover so that it looks good. Now, guys, see, I'm gonna drive it.
Guys, don't. I will drive it because it's mine.
It's really fast.
Can't hold it.
Wait. Bas. Wait.
Mommy, there's more.
1 second.
दीदी की तैयारी
God, it's going round side.